Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to get started with Moonvalley AI, a text-to-video AI generator. Beginner's Guide. Moonvalley is a revolutionary AI model for text-to-video generation that transforms plain text prompts into stunning cinematic and animated videos. If you are already acquainted with Pika Labs, grasping the concept of Moonvalley will be a breeze, as they share similarities when it comes to crafting text into videos. In fact, Moonvalley takes those similarities and enhances them in ways that make it even more impressive. So stick around until the end to discover what sets Moonvalley apart from Pika Labs and why it is an exciting addition to the world of text-to-video AI. But before we dive in, if you are keen on staying updated about the latest AI tools and how to utilize them effectively, this channel is the perfect resource for you. We regularly provide updates and instructional videos on harnessing AI tools in today's world. Remember to hit that subscribe button. Your support enables us to continue creating content like this. Now, let us get started. To begin with Moonvalley.ai, the first step is to visit their website. Once you are there, click on the Try Beta button. It is essential to note that to use this platform, you will need to have a Discord account. So, if you don't have one already, you should create a Discord account, click on Accept Invite, and it will take you directly to your Discord account, underlining the importance of having one. Next, you will be presented with a series of questions. Don't fret, there are no right or wrong answers. These questions are there to gather feedback and improve the platform. It is also a good idea to read through their server rules to ensure you don't inadvertently violate them. Once you have answered the questions, click on Finish. As a beginner on their platform, Moonvalley provides some get started tips to guide you. On the left-hand side, you will see different channels where you can create your text-to-video content. You can choose any channel that suits your purpose. It doesn't matter which one you select. To create text-to-video content, use the text box provided. Type /create to initiate the process. The platform will guide you on what to do next. Enter your text prompt in the prompt section. Choose your preferred style and decide on the video's duration. What is great here is that you have style options to choose from, so you don't need to worry about deciding on the style yourself. Duration options include short with an average wait time of 2 to 5 minutes, medium with an average wait time of 4 to 8 minutes, and long with an average wait time of 8 to 12 minutes. Let us start with medium. I will also be showing you the results for short, medium, and long durations, so stay tuned to see the differences. Once you have filled in your details, simply hit enter on your keyboard. As you can see, one key aspect of using Moonvalley.ai is that your work is visible to others on the platform. This means your creations are not private. Anyone using this channel server will be able to see your work. However, this can also mean that sometimes you might need to scroll up and look for the video you have generated, especially if there are many people using the platform. While we are waiting for our video to be generated, let us take a look at some of the samples created by the AI. Honestly, their AI-generated videos are quite impressive. If you want to experiment with their prompts, you can certainly do so, as you will be able to see what these prompts can create. Here's a tip. You will know when your video is ready when you see a notification pop up on the left, like the one you see here. Just click on it and then scroll to find your generative video. There you have it. To be honest, the result may not be exactly what I was expecting, but I must commend the image quality. I quite like it. As for the medium duration, the generation video is 3 seconds long. Now, let us explore another prompt. I want to let you all know that you can do a lot of things here. Just type a slash and you can use features like thread, message, and more. However, I won't be discussing those in detail because my main focus is on creating text-to-image videos. Let us click on Create and then enter a prompt. For this example, we will use the long duration to see how long the video will be, then simply hit Enter. By the way, I quite enjoy these steps because I like seeing these checks right here. While we are waiting for our video to complete, I will go ahead and create some more. Alright, you can actually create multiple videos simultaneously, even if you are still waiting for another video prompt to be generated. So, let us create another prompt. Just type /create and fill in the prompt and style. For this sample, we will use the short duration. By the way, you can add aspect ratios or more prompts if you'd like, as you have the flexibility to do so. It is not strictly necessary to fill only these boxes. For example, I am going to write 2 dashes, then aspect, and specify the aspect ratio I want, which is 16:9. Then hit Enter. Here, I have a couple of tips for you. On the left, there is a section called Prompt Experts. In this section, you can see and learn how to create prompts effectively. I highly recommend checking this out to get a better grasp of how their prompts work. They also provide listings for different prompts movements, which can be very useful in creating your text-to-video prompts. Now, it looks like our videos are ready since there is a notification. Let us check out the long duration video example. For a long duration, it is 5 seconds. Although the animals may not look perfect, I can genuinely appreciate how it was created. I see a lot of potential in this platform, especially considering that it is still new and evolving. It is really impressive. Now, let us take a look at our other video. Wow, I am actually quite fond of it. It looks really nice. Keep in mind that the short duration is only 1 second, so it is very brief. But the quality of how it was created is truly great. I am genuinely impressed. In summary, Moonvalley is a new beta text-to-video AI generator that operates similarly to platforms like Picalabs and Midjourney, where creating a Discord account is a prerequisite for use. Personally, I am quite impressed with how the videos are generated. The quality is really top-notch. Although, there are instances where the waiting time can be a bit long. I genuinely believe that Moonvalley has a bright future ahead. With updates and improvements in the coming months or years, it is likely to create even better videos. This platform shows great promise, and I am genuinely excited about its potential. One notable feature is the availability of 3 different duration options, allowing users to choose the length of their generated videos. To download the videos you have created, you simply need to click on the download button within the video, and it will be saved to your computer. It is a user-friendly process that makes it easy to access and use the videos you have generated. I am quite curious to hear your thoughts. Are you considering trying out this platform? Did you find the generated videos in our sample impressive? Your insights and opinions hold significant value, so please feel free to share your feedback in the comments. I am genuinely excited to read and engage with your viewpoints. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.